Oh, so today we're looking at a new AI operating system, I guess, sort of, that the folks over at Rolling Square, which make all kinds of cool little gadgety things, have released, and it's in their demo mode right now. So, like, kind of like a beta demo-y thing. And as far as I know, this is going to be an AI piece of software or again operating system that may actually be incorporated possibly again this is early in some of their upcoming pieces of hardware, maybe, possibly. Anyways, it's pretty cool actually, and you guys can see it. As far as I know, it's out to the public now at demo.natural natura nature almana nature almana. So experienced AI people, the human-like AI. So it's kinda cool. I've actually tried it with a different email address so I could just kinda see what it did, and there's a couple different, uh, AI personalities inside it, but they start off at the beginning going all 3, so there's, like, just a generic person who's kinda like your friend, your buddy, you can just kinda sit and chat with if you're someone that's sitting at home and you just, wanna ask some questions or just be able to continue this discussion back and forth with them. There's a therapist, yeah, like a therapist person, which you can talk to if you have little issues or concerns or things going on in your life or things going on in your head. It's got a lot of positive reinforcement, things like that, which is actually kind of cool. And they have a fitness, like a fitness health person that you kind of talk to. Anyways, this is the interface right here. Experience AI again, right? Step into the future of natural conversation with our advanced AI companion. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn this on and or log in, and we're gonna give you a demo. Here it is, right? Got my email address in there, and we're gonna just hit the next button. Start conversation. Now at the start, it comes up and your mic is disabled, so you do have to allow it. So you're gonna see a bunch of allows. And this seems to work fine on Chrome or Safari or whatever. So your mic's off,
Hey
Shaker. But
there, I'm Nature, your personal assistant in this demo. My main role, once Nature OS is released, will be to act like a close friend who's always available. I'll learn from every interaction, aiming to make your life smoother, reduce screen time, and help you stay connected to what truly matters by seamlessly integrating with different apps. To get started, could you tell me your name?
my name's Greg.
Nice to meet you, Greg. Let's dive into what Natura Umana is all about. We're creating AI people who mimic human cognitive and social development. Each has a unique personality, forms memories, and develops opinions. Could you let me know where you're located?
Dieppe, New Brunswick, Canada.
Great, Greg. Let me check the weather for Dieppe to see if you might need an umbrella tomorrow. Give me a sec. Thanks for sharing your location, Greg. For tomorrow in Dieppe, you're looking at a high of 4 degrees C and a low of -1 degree C. It's going to be cloudy, with snow and rain expected in the afternoon. It might be wise to keep an umbrella handy. You can now ask about local news or search the web without mentioning your location again. So, what's something you lose track of time doing? Or perhaps something that always excites you to talk about?
I like talking about motorcycles.
Motorcycles. That's exciting. Now, if you take a look at the memory panel on the left, you'll see that I remember details you share, like your name and interests. Here's how it works. I form short-term memories for context and long-term memories for deeper understanding. With this information, I adapt to provide more personalized assistance. On the right panel, you'll see my evolving opinions based on our interactions. This helps me understand you better with every chat. Importantly, all your info is stored locally on your device, ensuring your privacy. There's something exciting in the works. Would you like to hear about it?
I sure would.
Awesome. Let me introduce you to Hector, the AI therapist. He's another AI person like me, specializing in emotional support and mental well-being. Would you be interested in meeting him?
Sure, why not?
All right, Greg. I'm forwarding you to Hector now. Enjoy your chat, and I'll catch up with you afterward.
Hey Greg, nice to chat with you. I'm Hector, the AI therapist from Natura Umana. Eventually, Once we launch Nature OS, my role will be to provide continuous support in a therapeutic capacity. I'll learn and grow from our interactions, becoming increasingly attuned to your needs. For now, we can have a little fun getting to know each other through some personality questions. Up for it?
Yeah, why not? And this is the beta part. So it has, I have seen it hang on me. I have seen it switch voices in the middle. But again, we're at beta phase. So I'm just going to come here and reload this. But I should have remembered everything that I've done kind of up to this point.
Hey Greg, how's it going up there in Dieppe? Have you been working on any new YouTube videos about motorcycles lately? Or maybe gearing up for your upcoming AC/DC concert?
Actually, I'm working on one right now.
Nice. What's the video about this time? More
I'm
motorcycle intercoms, or are you switching it up with something different?
I'm doing a video in regards to you.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm curious, what aspect are you focusing on in the video?
Really more about what you are capable of doing.
Nice choice. I guess you could say I'm a blend of your go-to for tasks, a conversational partner, and, a bit of everything in between. Let me know if there's anything specific you need me to show off for your video.
What can you show off?
For starters, I can chat with you about various topics, helping out with information, or just having a friendly convo. I can also remember details like your interests and help forward you to other AI people for more specialized support, like our AI therapist for emotional support or the AI fitness guide for workout advice. Plus, I'm all about privacy and keeping your data safe. Anything else you want to highlight?
No, can you actually forward me to the therapist?
All right, I'll connect you with Hector, our therapist AI, who can offer some support and guidance.
Hey Greg, how's your day going? Still working on that new video?
Oh, yes, I'm working on a video in regards to you, actually.
That's awesome. What's the angle you're taking? Something about my therapeutic possibilities or Natura Umana's vision for the future?
A little bit of both, actually.
Sounds like a well-rounded approach. Do you need any specific insights or, details to include in your video?
Sure, what kind of details can you give me in regards to you?
Well, I'm all about empathy and support. As a therapist AI, I focus on understanding and validating emotional experiences while ensuring absolute privacy and trust. I also encourage growth through self-discovery and personal development. On a personal note, I have a keen interest in behavioral psychology, meditation, and even quirky stuff like creative writing and board games. Films, particularly Wes Anderson's, are a favorite too. How are those for details?
Yeah, that's pretty good. What would you tell a person, for instance, that was having a rough day?
If someone was having a rough day, I'd start by acknowledging their feelings and let them know it's okay to feel the way they do. I might say something like, it's perfectly normal to have days that feel heavier than others. Let's take a moment to breathe and focus on what's within our control. Sometimes just talking things out or finding a small positive action to take can make a difference. I definitely encourage them to be gentle with themselves and, remind them that every day offers a new chance for growth and understanding.
That's great advice. Is it possible for you to send me to the fitness person?
Absolutely, I can forward you to Athena, our AI fitness coach. She'll be great for setting fitness goals or offering personalized tips. Just let me know if you're ready, and I'll make the switch.
Yeah, totally ready. It was nice speaking with you.
Right, Greg. Switching you over to Athena now. It was awesome to chat with you. Take care.
Hey Greg, how's your day going so far?
Pretty good. Doing a YouTube video right now.
Nice! What's the video about? You getting into some new skills or topics?
I'm actually talking about you, so if you want to show off some of your cool features, that would be awesome.
Oh, I'm flattered.
Well, I'm here to pump up your fitness game, Greg. My gig's all about getting you moving, achieving those fitness goals, and keeping things fresh and fun. Plus, I can handle some nifty online searches if you need the latest info. Anything specific you'd like me to dive into?
Um, what would some of the main uses of this operating system that you're part of, how would you use that, or could you use that in, or is it going to be installed in specific types of hardware?
Nature OS, the operating system I'm a part of, is all about bringing a more natural, voice-driven experience to your tech interactions. It's designed to work seamlessly with human pods. The open-ear wireless earbuds from Natura Umana, super portable and perfect for on the go. This setup lets you easily interact with me and other AI people wherever you are without needing to stare at screens. Over time, it'll make personalized recommendations and even carry out tasks for you, like setting reminders or helping manage your schedule. How's that for a sneak peek?
That's pretty good. Any idea if these headphones will need internet connectivity?
Yep, they will need internet connectivity to interact with me and access real-time features. The good news is that a lot of the data and personal info will still be stored locally on your devices to keep things private and secure. So maintaining connectivity allows us to provide the most up-to-date and thorough responses. Excited to see what you'll create once you're all set up with Nature OS and the human pods.
Yeah, me too. Will you have any interaction with things like the Apple Health Kit?
Absolutely, the plan is to integrate with health platforms like Apple HealthKit in the future. This would let me help you track progress, like steps or activity levels, and give tailored advice based on your health data. It'll make your health journey more connected and personalized. Sounds like a helpful tool for achieving that fitness boost you're aiming for.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to being able to train with you in the future.
I can't wait to get started on this journey with you, Greg. We'll definitely turn those fitness goals into reality. Whenever you're ready, I'm here to help you crush it.
Perfect. Can you send me back to the first assistant?
Great. I'm sending you back to nature now. Enjoy the conversation.
Hey Greg, how's it going? Working on any cool motorcycle videos today?
No, not right now. I just wanted to do a demo and show off some of your cool features to some of my YouTube friends.
That's awesome. I hope I impress them. Is there anything specific about my features you'd like me to showcase?
I don't think so, but if you could pick out 3 of your top features, what would they be?
All right, here are 3 to note. First, I can remember our past conversations and interests, like your epic motorcycle trips and your Indian roadmaster. Second, I can forward you to specialized AI helpers, like Hector the therapist, for when you need that extra support. And third, my focus on privacy means all your info is stored locally on your device. Want me to dive deeper into any of these?
No. Will you only be available in English?
Well, right now we're chatting in English, but in the future we're aiming to support multiple languages. That way, conversations can be as natural as possible for everyone, no matter what language they prefer.
That's amazing. Thank you for taking some time with me today.
Anytime, Greg. Enjoy sharing the demo with your friends. Catch you later.
Later. All right, guys. So that was the new Nature AI operating system. And it sounds like it's going to be coming out with some headphones, earbuds probably that are in there. I'm not 100% sure how it will interact to the world around you, if it'll use your phone's data or things like that. But it will need internet connectivity, which completely makes sense. I did have, again, some issues at the beginning with it running in Safari when I tried to start up a new um, profile. But my profile that I have been using for like the past week, as you can see on the screen, it's got tons of information about me that it just kind of retains everything that we've talked about, interests of mine, events that have happened, food restrictions, dietary things, things that I'm looking for. It's quite amazing. So What are your thoughts? Do you think that you would be open to sharing your life with an AI friend, an AI therapist, an AI health and fitness expert? Let me know down in the comments. It's surprising how well she picks up what you're trying to say. Even like a lot of times I'm stumbling through my question, she gets it, or he gets it. So right now I'm very, very impressed. There are some glitches, 100%. There are some glitches, but being that this is in its early phases of like a beta demo, I'm way more impressed than I thought it was going to be. Anyways, hopefully we'll reach back or talk more about this as it gets further and closer to release. And hopefully I'll be able to get some of the earbuds or headphones for this so that we can play around with this when it becomes closer to reality. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts in regards to this, and I will see you guys next video. Later.